So you guys, once again, you're welcome. I'm really happy if you're here. Today I'm reacting to another comment by one of the subscribers. Actually, he told me he subscribed, but he had a question on is it possible to make 30 pips a day? You get? So my response was it depends on the asset. By that I mean crypto, VIX indices, forex, and other stocks. It depends. But now, for that, today I'll first start with volatility indices. The answer is, I believe it's yes. You get? It's most likely that you'll make at least 30. And I was really motivated by that question because one of the things that I need to tell you, you need to have a target. You get? You need to have a target, and then 30 was a good target because if you're starting out, don't set the goal too high. You get? Just like I would advise that your first target would be on a demo. You get? Hit your targets on a demo, then the real account will also be a target of its own. But 30 was a reasonable number. I would say yes. You get? And today that's what I'm here to show you. You get? We are starting with VIX indices, and now I think now we're on jump 75, but any asset would do. You get? So this one, it will help you in all other assets, the knowledge you get. And now the other thing before I continue, guys, leave comments, share, and the like. You invest in the like button because you guys, actually right now I will be basing on that to do more reviews. You get? So you just simply like, if at all you really learned something, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I've realized that most of you are not yet subscribed, so that one is done, the promotion is done. So the first thing that you need to do is to turn on the period separators. You get? I'll turn them on the mobile phone. I will show you. So now on the PC, you press Ctrl Y to turn on the period separators. What do they mean? Now, for as long as you are on H1 going below to M1, each partition represents 1 day. You get? Now this was yesterday, from here to here. You get? And now for me today, this is the day. This is where it started, midnight. Now it is going to end here. You get? So now that is the first thing that you need to do. Then you need to get a favorable time frame that is going to help you to see through the whole day effectively. Now I'm on M15. M15 really fits within my day very well. These are 24 hours from here to here, 24 hours, M15. But then I can go on M5. You get? It is okay. But now M5, it is kind of spread out too much. It doesn't give me a very, very, very clear picture. But now I use it so much after me doing my analysis on M15. So you choose M30. Let's see what M30 gives. This is what M30 is giving, which is fine. You get? So it depends. For as long as you are H1 and below H1, let's see. Will H1 give us a very good picture? Now H1 is not giving a very good picture. You get? But now that's the first thing. You turn on the period separators on the mobile phone. You go to settings and then you turn on the period separators. That's the first thing. You get? So now what's next? We are going to choose any random day, and we see. I told you in one of the videos about tips and tricks, each and every day there shall be a move. You get? A move. Why? It's because each and every day institutions must make a move. By that I mean a clean move, whereby we are moving, let's say like that. This is where the money is, because there shall be liquidity, but they have to make profits every day. At least now you should know that. That's the second thing. So expect each and every day to have a move. Now for that one we are done. Then as you can see, we are going to choose a random day, and then we see whether it will have a move. Now this is the move for today. This was yesterday, but now by that I mean you look at the structure that forms in a day. You get? Now you first look here. As you can see today, yesterday the prices went up, then they came down. You look at these double tops. after you seeing, like during day, this was already during day, after you seeing this would be my move, this would be my move for the day. You get? I take this one. After missing these double tops, I would expect that now for today, if at all the day was moving and then we had a structure here, for me, I had already had my bias that now after getting my M here, I would be going down. And what would be my target? If at all I look at the previous day, and now I see that before we, this would be my area of target. You get? As of yesterday. You get? So in each and every day, trust me, there is going to be some kind of pattern. Now that is the second thing. Now for these ones, I can delete. Now for the move for yesterday, you've seen it. Let me delete them. So now we are going to choose also another day. You can see this one. There is an M here. It started when the day was beginning. The previous day we get an M here. This was the move for the day. You get? That was the move for the day, and we get a W here. If you missed out on this W of the previous day and the day as it was starting, you would get on this one. You get? So I'm really giving you intraday strategies. You get? After me seeing this, and then this is my latest structure, I believe I'm going to get a new high. You get? So I would target that. So that is the move for the day. Like some days have more moves. You get? By move I mean they have more entries. There are days that are profitable, but remember we are on M15. These are really, really nice moves. Then let's do analysis on this one. Maybe this one would be good. It looks a little bit crooked, but now we want to see whether it would be good. You can see that as the day was starting, we can see that it ended when it was falling, but now you can see that the day started and then we got the prices were coming. But now once you start seeing structures, breaking structures going up, it means that you're going up. That is the first thing. When you see you're breaking structures going down, then it means you're going down. You get? So I believe you guys, my friend, actually I call you my friend, if the one who asked about is it possible to get 30 pips, you know yourself, I really appreciate you. It's because I'm making this to help you. If you start seeing that you've been breaking structures going down, and all of a sudden you get a high and then you break it, trust me, you've started to get structures to go up. You get? This is an indicator that you've started to go up. This might be the move for the day. And now what do you expect? Whenever we break a structure, normally we retest that structure. You get? Now after me getting this pullback, and then we sharply went up. Remember we're on M15. You could still get in on this candle here because you've done your analysis on a higher time frame. Now if at all we are going up, we've broken a structure going up. Now you see that they've come back, they've hit this region so much. You get? They've hit this region so much. If you missed out on entries here, I'm giving you more opportunities for you to take entries. You get? So now you get to see that we've hit this region so much. Now remember we're going up, then we got a pullback down. Already I have my analysis because I expect on each and every asset every day to have a move. For me, I highlight the last candle because the other thing that you need to understand, that most people, I believe there are many people who are making videos, but personally I've labored to show you the safe entries. I don't know whether you guys are noticing what we call safe entries. So but I believe if you're keen enough, you know the safe entries now, because most people will be like, hey, when you reach this region you sell, when you reach this region you buy. But then for me, I've labored to show you some of the safe entries, and now for that one I'm done. Now for me, given that now I've started breaking structures going up, now I know that I'm going up. The move for the day is to go up. You get? Because previously we fell down for so long. Now this is the move to go up. But then we have to see, given that we need to look at the previous day, some of the structures, some of the areas that we expect to hit, you get, the some of the areas where we expect to hit. Now this would be after us. If at all we broke structure here and now we are going up, we expect our target not to stop here, you get. This would be the high that would break. I was expecting a new high. And where would the high be? The high would be, if at all this is the last bullish candle before you go down, this would be my area of the new high. Sometimes you just highlight off its body only. You can see that as prices reached in this region, we came down, you get. So you need to anticipate where the reverse was. Actually, personally, sometimes I've even made videos where I even expect pullbacks, you get, because I know it's going to be moving like this. Some videos I've showed you where I expect the price to reach and then it pulls back, you get. But now that is also another, it requires a lot of time. Maybe I'll do it. So now for today, I'm just trying to show you that in each and every day you are able, or you are capable to get an entry, you get. So now after me seeing this in this region, I would be taking entries above, you get. This would be the break of the structure that I was expecting to break, because I already seen signs that we were going up. And now after me getting this retest here, I expect to get a new high. Which one would be the new high? It would be, this was my last previous high, you get, which means I would break it to create a new high. Now where is the area of resistance? This would be the area of resistance, you get. And you can see that price has reached here. This would be the TP. So here they would have it, the TP, and then they pull back. Now I watch what happens as we are coming down, you get. Now you can see that as the day was going on, we were failing to break this region. What do I expect? I expect that now we are likely to go up, you get. Now after hitting this region a couple of times and now we are not breaking down, this would be another opportunity that if at all prices come up again, I would take entries up here, you get. And now which one would be the area? If at all we are going up, breaking structures going up, where else would we expect to react? Now as you can see, the market was coming down, you get. But then we broke, there's some structure here, you get. There's some structure here, and then as prices were coming down, we had this bullish candle here, you get. So sometimes this is how I look for my areas where I would expect reactions. Now for me, if at all this is my high that I expect to break, where is my take profit? The last negative reaction, you get. The last negative reaction is my TP. So you can see that with this candle here would have been the TP, and this is the TP region. We reached it and we came back, you get. When we came back, which area did we touch? We came back to our area of resistance. This is where prices resisted. And now when you reach and now we are not breaking down, what do I expect? I expect more entries to come. And if at all I'm not breaking down here, which structure am I going to break next? If this is my previous high, now I expect now that I'm going to break this high and create a new high. And now you can see this was already our area of resistance. But now, given that we've resisted down so much, that is an indicator that we are going down, going up aggressively. And now this structure was going to expire, you get. And now we retested this region, this area here. I don't know whether you guys are really moving so fast, but I'm just quickly showing you that in each and every day there are opportunities for you to catch entries. And now you can see that in this region we came back down to retest this region. And now after this retest, where would be my safe entry? My safe entry would be an area above here. Now once we break out here, I would take entries. But you know, if you go on smaller time frames, you get an early entry inside the box, you get. I believe now you guys know that. So with that analysis, you can see that in each and every day, you can just base on the current day and the previous day to get the move, you get. Or within the day, you can see that in this one we created the high, as the day was beginning, we came down, but as we came down, we created a W. So now what does that mean? It means that now after us getting this W, we are going to break a couple of structures going down. But if you missed out on this one, even during the day, I had an opportunity that I got a W here, and now this was the move for the day. You get? This was the move for the day. Trust me, how many pips are these? You are even beyond 30. And now the other thing that I need to tell you is that always be patient enough. Why? If you're patient and then your confirmations are met, it means you can take on big lot sizes. And now if you take on big lot sizes that are profitable, you would be profitable, other than you rushing to take entries and then they disappoint you. You get? So always be careful. I really appreciate if you're here, my friends. You guys, thank you so much. And it's because of now your comments that now I'm doing all this. So it was a reaction. I'm doing this because someone said was asking about 30 pips, but now that is a very good strategy. If you hit your 30, if you hit your goal, always fast relax. You get? But now this is to show you that in each and every day there is a move. So now you can see, man, the move for today. There's a lot to explain, but now I'm expecting another move that is going to end the day. You get? There's another move that is going to end the day, and I'm not going to do that. But you can see in each and every day there is a move. You get? There is a move basing on previous days. And then the other thing that I said, it is easy whenever there is no consolidation. Now you can see that in this area, but then I believe you guys, there is something now you understand. If at all I've been talking so much about order blocks, you can anticipate what is going to happen in the next day. You look at our region here. The way we broke the structure of the day and we went up. You get? What did you expect? You expected to fill up the gap that you left behind. Now already on this day, you expected prices overall to be going down, but in a crooked way, because as we were breaking the structure here, we really shot up so high. You get? So we had to cover up the gap. But still, even during the day, you got some clear move. This one here. You get? This one here, and then you would go up. So this is a sign that each and every day there is an opportunity for you to catch your pips. You get? In each and every day there's an opportunity for you to catch. So you don't need to look at a lot of assets, because that will confuse you. You just choose. You'll be like, today I'm on VIX 75. I want to just get the profits on VIX 75. Now today I've done this on Jump, and if you want, I can do it on many others. Just comment down below. But always in a day there is that, even amidst this chaos, we got some kind of clear move. You get to go up, because overall we were going up. Now you look here, what do we get here? As you can see, man, it's too much. At least in each and every day you're seeing some clear move. It's all about patience. You watch out for what happens, like for what is happening sometimes when the day is beginning or the previous day. So in each and every day there is that move. Now we got a W here, and now on our second leg we would take. You get? Now here you can see that it was here, and then another one here. You get? So there is an opportunity for you to get a profitable entry. Always watch out for, I like W's and M's so much. You see that the previous day we got a high and we get another high here. That means that the move for the day is here to go down. So you guys, I'm basing on a lot for sure to show you this, but I cannot say them in just 20 minutes or 30. You get? So just stick around and we keep sharing. Thank you so much.